What is up, guys? It's your boy, No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the 2 Minute Drill. And yesterday we said what all about the goddamn PPI data producer price index, and it took a shit this morning. Basically, it didn't do anything, right? And if it didn't break us out of the range, we were cautious to go long on a potential breakout. Why? Because we were at this mother of all goddamn trend lines right here, right? We said we were looking for a wick up to the top. We got it. And then we could proceeded to sell off all the way to where? The beginning of this gap. Very nice play. Now on to tomorrow. What to expect tomorrow? Well, first off, don't forget, look, jobless claims, building permits, housing permits, and then you got a couple of these knuckleheads that are in the Fed president's speak. Okay, so you'll want to pay attention and know when they're speaking. Okay. Other than that, I will be looking to take a long at 389 to 390 if we get there. Okay, if we get there. Depends what happens in the overnight action. Why? After a huge dump like this, it's more likely we could possibly get some buying pressure back up to the upside as a possible retrace. So how to determine where the retrace could go to? Well, I definitely want to look at this 396 to 397 level as a possible breakdown and retest, but you could always do up your little fibby here and be like, all right, look, we could just take the move from yesterday, that high to here. Where can we go back to? Okay, 50%, 396, 60%, 61.8, 397. Boom, there you have it. 71.8 to 398 if we get all the way up there. Okay, so that's where I would be looking for a possible retrace. Okay, and you could add puts as long as it rejects on the retrace, but I'll be looking for a possible fake breakdown. Okay, in the morning, especially if we sell off first thing in the morning, we sell off right to 390. I'd be looking for a pattern to take a short. One thing I want to talk about real quick. I'm sorry, pattern to take a long. Sorry, candlestick pattern to take a long. One thing I do want to talk about, guys, we were begging for 403, like begging for 403. That's what I said. I said, however the producer price index comes out at, I will be looking the opposite way. We didn't quite get to 403, but we knew 400 was a level. It was a double top from the previous day before, right? That's when your instincts of having to be a trader, okay, would have to kick in. You would have to see, shit, it ain't going through 400. It's rejecting well. Okay, it's rejecting really well. Okay. And then if you really wanted to wait and confirm, you could have waited till under the 200-day, which happened to be the previous day low of the day, the break there at 397. And you could have wrote it all the way down 391. Okay. Okay. And how do we know it was a bearish trend day? Okay, well, look, just really quick. 5-minute chart. It never, you see this yellow line, it never got back above it. Even here, still not a single close above it. Not a single close above it. Okay, we did get it, but failed the 21 EMA. So the red line's the 21 EMA. Okay, then for those people that want to get off the 5-minute, you should look at the 15-minute. What happened there? We never got above it. The 8 EMA on the 15. That's how you knew bearish trend day. All the way down. Sell the pops. Okay, we knew to take a pop. What do we say? 393-ish. You could take a long. Okay, but that was short-lived pop. Okay, you could also just play the reject there all the way down to this gap fill we knew here, and now we're at our long area. We want to look long. Okay, so for tomorrow, the plan is simple. Okay, I'm gonna look to either play 389 to 390, just in that range. It's kind of a smorgasbord of levels in there, as you can see. Okay. I'd want to take a long. Okay, I want to take a long. If for some reason we gap up, I would more than likely look to fade it. Okay, more than likely look to fade it and play the gap fill down, depending where that might be. Do a Fibonacci retracement, and you'll get your levels from today, right? And you can see already. Look, 395 to 398. That's that golden zone. That's where I'd be looking for a possible retrace. You have to be a trader. Sometimes you can't just blindly follow somebody. You can't blindly just price gets to a level and you just full port long it, full port short it. You have to be a trader. Okay. We are reactors. Okay. We are not fortune tellers. Okay. We're not predictors. We are reactors. Okay. Guys, wake up early. Don't do anything fucking stupid. We'll see you bright and early. Peace.